The all-new 2025 Range Rover Camper Motorhome, redefining luxury and adventure. The 2025 Range Rover Camper Motorhome is here, setting a new standard for luxury and adventure. Designed for those who demand both comfort and capability, this vehicle is more than just a motorhome. It's a statement of freedom, innovation, and sophistication. Built on the legendary Range Rover platform, it seamlessly blends world-class off-road performance with high-end living spaces, making it the perfect companion for any journey. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover Camper Motorhome offers a range of advanced powertrains, including a plug-in hybrid option that delivers impressive fuel efficiency without sacrificing performance. For those craving more power, a twin-turbo V8 engine ensures effortless towing and the ability to conquer any terrain. The all-electric L variant takes sustainability to the next level, offering silent yet powerful driving with an extended range, ensuring uninterrupted exploration no matter where the road leads. Luxury interior transformation. Inside, the transformation from SUV to luxury motorhome is breathtaking. Every surface is adorned with the finest materials, from handcrafted leather seats to sustainable wood accents, exuding warmth and elegance. The cabin is both spacious and functional, with a panoramic sunroof flooding the interior with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere. State-of-the-art camper conversion. The camper conversion is where innovation meets comfort. Fully equipped kitchenette includes a dual-burner induction cooktop, a high-efficiency refrigerator, and a deep stainless steel sink with a water filtration system. Intelligent storage solutions maximizes space without compromising style. Luxurious sleeping area. A premium queen-size memory foam bed ensures ultimate comfort, while a smart climate control system adapts to any weather condition for a perfect night's sleep. Modular seating configuration allows for quick and easy conversion between lounge and sleeping modes, providing flexibility for any travel scenario. Seamless technology integration. Technology is seamlessly woven into every aspect of the vehicle. 4K entertainment system with surround sound transforms the camper into a private cinema. High-speed satellite internet and 5G connectivity keeps travelers connected even in remote locations. Advanced navigation and AI-powered travel assistant provides real-time route suggestions, weather updates, and off-grid camping locations. Off-grid capabilities. Designed for off-grid adventures, the 2025 Range Rover Camper Motorhome is equipped with powerful roof-mounted solar panel system, supplies sustainable energy to power all on-board electronics. High-capacity lithium battery pack ensures continuous operation. Advanced water recycling system extends the time between refills, allowing for longer journeys without the need to resupply. Uncompromised safety and security. Safety and security remain at the forefront with advanced driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. Enhances driving comfort. 360 degrees camera system with night vision improves visibility in challenging conditions. Emergency braking system ensures a stress-free driving experience. Reinforced chassis and upgraded skid plates protect vital components when tackling rough terrain, ensuring durability and reliability. Enhanced outdoor living. Outdoor living is elevated with premium features. Automated retractable awning creates a perfect shaded space for relaxation. Extendable deck area provides additional room for dining and lounging. Optional extras include a portable outdoor grill, an exterior shower, and even a rooftop tent for those seeking extra adventure. Personalized customization. Customization is key, allowing owners to tailor every detail to their personal preferences. Premium material selections. Choose from bespoke color schemes and unique interior layouts. Design flexibility. Whether opting for a minimalist modern look or a traditional luxury aesthetic, Every version is crafted to perfection. The ultimate travel experience. The 2025 Range Rover Camper Motorhome is more than just a motorhome. It's an experience. It allows travelers to embrace the open road without leaving comfort behind, venture into the unknown while staying connected and secure, and explore without compromise. From cross-country road trips to spontaneous weekend getaways, this vehicle is built to handle it all. With its groundbreaking combination of Range Rover's legendary off-road capability, state-of-the-art technology, and unparalleled luxury, it redefines the way we explore the world. Where will your journey begin? The all-new 2025 Range Rover Camper Motorhome is here and ready to take you anywhere. The only question is, where will you go first?